As a new trader, it's essential to understand what the major currency pairs are. These major currency pairs are the leader in global trading activity for Forex markets and offer opportunities for traders across the world. In this video, we'll explain the major currency pairs to you, the new trader, so that you have an educational foundation to get started. The major currency pairs are those that include the US dollar and are the most liquid and widely traded in the world. These pairs account for the majority of trading volume in the Forex market. Here are the 7 major currency pairs. Euro versus US dollar. British pound versus US dollar. US dollar versus Japanese yen. US dollar versus Swiss franc. US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Australian dollar versus US dollar. New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. These pairs often have the highest liquidity, trading activity, and global coverage. Because of these factors, these pairs generally see tighter spreads and less volatility, but they also provide countless possibilities for traders. These major currency pairs make up most of the Forex trading volume and are the foundation for the industry, often moving with major economic events and global news. The tight spreads and high liquidity can make the majors an attractive option for day traders as well as swing traders. The key takeaway from this video is as follows. You now know what the major Forex pairs are and why they matter. Be sure to watch our other videos in this series that cover the minor and exotic currency pairs. By watching each video in this series, you'll understand the ins and outs of different Forex pairs. Thanks for watching this special video from FOREX.com. Please like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for trading education and live shows from our team of analysts.